worked out what the DR750X means, and then now there's another model called the 750. Hang on, where is a good place? Yeah, this is as good as any. 750X-1CH Plus. So 750X, X is that power control where you can keep recording when your car's off. The 1CH, it's got a single camera in it. And the Plus. The Plus means a couple of things. The Plus models, I believe they're a bit better at managing the SD card, where they will automatically cycle it and turn it off, turn it back on again, and manage that card so the card itself lasts a little bit longer. And also the Plus model is actually expandable, so you can buy just a single camera, which this one is, and I'll pop the link down below in a second, but you can add another camera to it later down the track if you wish. So that's a really cool feature. If you're on the fence as to whether you want one or two cameras, you can start off with this, and then you can move on to the next one should you wish to later on down the track, instead of buying the whole kit again, which is what it used to be like. The other thing with the Plus model is it's slightly better in dark, or handling lighting situations such as dark, and with having your headlights on, it sort of manages that a little bit better. So slightly better image quality, but otherwise similar to the other ones.